Hi, my name is Frankie Boyd. I'm a New York-based makeup artist. I'm here today with Wonder 2 High Tech Beauty, and I'm going to show you last and foundation. I'm going to start by dampening our Wonder Blend sponge, just a little bit. Then I'm going to take the last and foundation. So I'm going to lightly blend it out a little bit. I don't want to go in with too much coverage. And with Daria, I'm going to take it just slightly around the nose to even out the skin tone and to take out a little bit of the red. It's not about giving her a new face or new skin. I'm just evening out her skin tone. I started Nicole's skin by giving her a heavy moisturizer all over the face. I'm stippling. I'm going to start in the center of Nicole's face. I want Nicole's freckles to show through the inside, so I'm not going to go for a lot of coverage. What I love about the Last and Foundation is that it gives beautiful radiant coverage, but it's very buildable. So you can get a little more coverage where you want it without it looking heavy. And what I love about the Wonder Blend sponge is you can take it directly right into the corner of the eye without having to use another brush if you don't want to. So where I want a little more coverage, I'm gonna use the oval brush and just lightly stipple. How does that feel, Daria?
Feels good.
Yeah, I love this foundation because it gives coverage without ever looking heavy. This way, I can just give a blemish a little treatment without covering the whole face in a ton of foundation. What I love about the Last and Foundation is the TRI-PLEX technology. So not only is the foundation long wearing and gives you 24-hour coverage, but it also helps adhere the makeup, whatever you're putting on top of it, even better. So if you're using shadow or your blush or your powder, it just helps everything adhere and wear even longer and better, and waterproof at the same time.